Hello and welcome back to class. This time we are going to be talking about how you can actually protect your sheet. Now, this function actually gives you the privilege to protect your sheet from unauthorized persons. There are sometimes you want to give someone something. Let's say, for example, you want to do a sales um a sales setup for a client now, and you don't want a situation whereby the salespeople can just go anywhere and change the price and change, or let's say you want to use for stock now, for example, you don't want them to go here and they can change this, they can manipulate that. It just can be for any reason. I know that there are sometimes you have to hold on to your bank statement. They will send it to you. If they send it to you, you would observe that sometimes these files are actually protected, and there's a reason. They are protected because they don't want you typing and trying to alter what they have already sent to you. So you don't say you sent 10,000 naira to someone and you change it to 10 million naira. That's exactly what we are trying to say here. Now, there's something I'm going to explain to you. It's how to find out if there is a hidden document, a hidden sheet in any file that is given to you. Let's look here now. So we have a file here that it's, the first sheet is introduction. I put the data we used for those classes here for formatting, for conditional formatting, now for this protect sheet. But let's say I want to hide conditional format. Now I'll right click on this sheet, and then can you see this place? Protect sheet, hide. For now, we are still working on hide. So I have put it. I have hidden that file. Can you see it? Can you see that sheet? No, it is not there. Now, when you are given an Excel sheet as a professional that you are going to be after this series of classes, you can come to the last sheet and right click. When you do that, you check anytime you right click the last sheet and you see on hide, just know that something is wrong. Someone has actually hidden a file. You as a professional will know that someone has hidden a sheet. Then if I press on hide, look at it. It's showing me that this is what is actually hidden. If there are many, you will see different ones. You click on it and then you click OK. See, our sheet is back up and running. Aha! Now back to trying to protect this sheet. If you want to protect your sheet to avoid anybody editing anything there, we are going to go back. We are going to do something very easy. We'll come back here, right click, and then you see that thing that says protect sheet. Press it. Now we're going to create a password. This password we want to create is for when you personally want to unprotect. So I want us to use default 0000. That's zero how many times? 5 times. Am I right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait, let me go back. I'm not sure if I did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I press 0 4 times. 0 4 times, and then I say okay. Then re-enter password for confirmation. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm typing 0 4 times, and then I press OK. There you go. Now see, if I want to press anything, it will bring up the error sign. I am not allowed to do that. So if anybody wants to manipulate your information and you press this, it will tell no, you can't do that. You are not allowed to type on this sheet. So now let me unprotect it so we can go further to this. How do you unprotect? Same thing, right click, click on un unprotect. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 0, and then okay. I'm sure we can type now. You see, there you go. There you go. Very easy and straightforward. Now, this first condition we want to consider is that I want to lock some cells. I want to unlock some cells and lock the entire cell. Now, for by default, every cell in Excel is actually locked. When you click on a cell and you press Ctrl 1, just for us to quickly get to the settings, you go to protection here. When you get C, if you notice it is locked by default, any cell in your Excel sheet by default is locked. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now in this case, we only want to unlock we only want to unlock some cells. You understand? So since everywhere is locked, let's come here. Let's pick this one. We want to select this product now. Okay. So we have selected this product. We will now do Control 1 again and uncheck it. Let's uncheck this locked. You see, we've unlocked these cells that we selected. Then we press OK. That's all. Now we will go and click the entire sheet. Okay, we just want to unlock these ones. Okay, we want to unlock these ones. So these ones are going to remain locked. Let me show you. You see that it's locked. Cancel, it's locked. Now let's go back here. When you've unlocked these cells that you know you want to allow anybody to continue typing on, you come back here, you try to protect your sheet again. And of course, I remember our password was 1234, 4 zeros. And then we click OK. Enter it again, 4 zeros, 1234. And then we click OK. Now guess what? If I want to type here, it's telling me error. Anywhere else will tell me error. Anywhere else will tell me that I'm not allowed to type there. But guess what? I can type here. You see that? You see that it's working. But we don't need that. So what this means is, let's say in all this place, so don't manipulate the prices, don't manipulate the quantity you have put. But as a salesperson, for example, you can just write it. This is what the person wrote here. So all those your other calculations and all, they are there, and nobody can come here to manipulate it. This particular sheet has been protected. Now let's go and on protect this sheet. 1 2 3 4. We unprotect it so that we can be back to our default. We can be back to come here. We can come here, select the entire sheet, and hold on. Sorry. Yes, we can do that too. Let me teach you that second method. Format cells. When you see it, this will come up. I just like using Control 1 because it's faster. So once I come here, I want to check on this logged. This way, I'm putting everything back to the default, like I explained before. Once you lock, you open your Excel sheet, all of them are locked. Now we want to look at this scenario. This scenario is saying that we want to unlock the entire sheet. You can work on this sheet, so you can do anything you want. But this products that are here, you cannot manipulate it. Those are the standard products in our store at the moment. Please, this is just an example. It can be anything. It can be the names of the students. You don't want them to, let's say you're working for a school, you don't want anybody to go there and be changing their names, their surname, or enroll a student behind you. You understand? You don't want to take such chances. You don't want the child's grade to be manipulated where they exchange names. No, you want it to be the same. So what do? We want to lock just this place. We'll select it as usual. First of all, I think I explained to you that we have to make sure that it's on default. So the entire sheet now is locked. What we'll do, we'll select the entire sheet again, right click. I want us to be using this so you understand better. You can use it, you can use Control Alt. Then we uncheck this. It means all the cells now are unlocked. Then we press OK. You understand? The whole sheet, everywhere in this sheet now is actually unlocked. We will now go and lock these cells. You see these cells that we want to work with. We will now go here, we right click, format cells, and we come here, we will lock this. Once you have locked this, we will now come back here and protect the sheet. Come back here, protect the sheet. We used 1 2 3 4. That's 0 4 times. Then this again, 1 2 3 4. We use 0 4 times. Okay, now we are protected. Guess what? If I want to type here, it's going to work. If I want to type anywhere else, it's going to work. It's going to work. You can put your scores. If you're students now, you can put your scores, you can do all of that, the grades. But guess what? If I want to change the student's name or the product that is in the this in the establishment, it's not going to allow me. Did you see that? If I come here, it's not going to allow me. I've protected it from manipulation. I hope that has been explanatory enough for you. Let's just do a run through. I told you you can find hidden sheets. I told you how to do that. I told you when you right click on the last cell, when you see on hide, anytime you see on hide, just know that they've hidden one sheet or the other. And then I've taught you how to unlock the entire cell. I've taught you how to unlock some cells. I've taught you how to lock some cells. Yes, I've taught you all of that. I hope it has been useful. Don't forget the word I always say. Always say. What do I always say? Practice. Practice, practice, and practice. That's the only way you can get perfect. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye.